Like if you get set up with a platform and you log in every day and you see the data, is it usually good enough that like it's clear enough that you can say, okay, I see the data, I understand how to read it. Now I know what to go do on my implementation side? Or do you still feel like you need people, the right people, analysts, people that understand the data to help you make those decisions with confidence?
I think there's a huge person component. I'm a real big fan of like the 80-20 rule, and it's always 80% people, like 20% tools max. But yeah, that's the problem with it. It's giving you insights, but then it's like, do you have enough sense to know how to leverage them? And then more importantly, like no platform or measurement tool should you trust implicitly. You got to test into everything, and you got to kind of think about what are some confounding variables that could be a part of this equation right now. How do I control for them, and how do I really test? And so with Prescient AI, it was like, it's measuring its modeled ROAS for Meta was way higher than Meta and any other channel. So it's like, okay, let's start differentiating this mix 5% at a time. Look, everything's holding. Let's keep differentiating until something happens. And man, we just kept testing incrementally like that. You could even drill down into the campaign level with them. And you set in like your media buying plans, and then you test against it, and the system just kept getting more accurate.